Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another Roblox adventure. As you guys can see by the title of the video, today we're playing more Mr. 2, more mm2 adventures, and yeah, and technically, as you guys see, we are sheriff. So we are sheriff right now, and I do not trust who else. So I just want to shoot him in the head, because I know he's a murderer. If he is, I will blast his head out.
You actually sheriff.
Yep. And so, guys,
wait, how's your voice?
No. So pretty much.
Okay, how do you do this voice? How do you pause it?
There's a pause button right there.
Oh, does it come with the app?
Stand back! $10 is bacon girl. Oh, it's bacon. It's bacon girl. $10.
And we're stuck in here. So
That was a vent.
let me out.
It was a vent.
Where?
Right here. I'm a blockhead. Ironically, because I'm a blockhead. Okay, so guys, this is my new avatar. So.
Ugly.
Oh!
Oh yeah, it's her. She pulled out her knife.
Oh yeah. She sure is not the guy that's doing hype.
Oh no!
You want me in here? Oh, there's a coin though. Okay, I'm sure I just need to protect these people. Wait! Okay, I really want. I'm tempted to shoot bacon. Yo, I know. I think those.
Nobody's dead yet.
Maybe they need to. Like, it's a
I haven't seen
perk.
any bodies and I've been everywhere.
Yeah, I know. Maybe there's an AFK. Found the body. She follows me into this thing and it beeps. Oh no, it's her. She's not going through. I know, guys, because I knew it was her. Because once I walked through, she was tempting to shoot. Alright, guys. We got him. I will see you all when we get into the next round. Okay, guys, so we're innocent. Sucks. But that's alright. I literally had my most insane murder mystery luck, but I don't know why I wasn't recording. I was sheriff, innocent, murderer, sheriff, innocent, which is right now. Go back to jail.
Sheriff?
I was sheriff, yeah, twice now before the round before you joined. Oh, shoot! Yeah, you gave up your life. Carson, turn on.
Hey, I'm the
Okay, who just got stabbed?
Whoever's watching this video, if there's anybody watching, I'm the knife.
Wait! Oh, it's one girl with the wolf mask.
We're going?
Alright. I can just pause my video.
Yeah, and then come back 30 years later.
Yeah, I know, right? Yo, Mars behind you. She's seen her throw a knife. Oh, guys, hurry. Oh, good night, everyone. I'm gonna go to sleep. I need something to eat. I magically just teleported downstairs. Coin head. Oh my goodness! First person. Yeet. Oh, guns down. I'll make this a hero mission. Ready? I might die, but. Okay.
She's guarding it.
Oh, she's camping.
So should I get it or should
Yeah.
I just hide?
Just go for it, bro. I'll see what she's doing. She's camping, yeah. She's trying to...
Time to go.
Okay. Sorry, guys. This is a really short video, but I'll just pause it. Just kidding. Thank you everyone for watching this short...
The time's almost up, right?
Yeah. You can tell in the chat. If there's an XP, once it hits 900 XP, that's when it rounds over.
900.
900 XP at the top.
I'm not even close.
What are you at?
630.
Okay, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this Roblox MM2 adventure video. And if you guys have not subscribed...
She's not hiding.
Hold on. You screwed up now. Wait for it. Once you turn that corner, blast her brains out. I'm spectating. She went on. She tried flanking. Now.
Hey, look, right now.
School, go. She's in the dining room. Now. Yeah. Wait. Ready? And. Go. Now. When she's in that corner, get ready to fire. And that's how your brother wins right there. Ooh, that's my brother. Yeah, okay. So thank you all so much for watching this video. And if you guys have not subscribed, like that, hit that like button. We will see you all. There it is. We'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.